Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. Today I'm going to be making sausage, spinach, egg muffins. I wanted to be able to have something for breakfast that quick, easy. So if you want to, you can be able to just freeze this and bring it out when you want it. I just figured that it'd be something quick and easy. So just wanted to share it with you guys. I am showing you guys all the products that I used. So just kind of go back and take a look at them. It's quick, easy. You want to use your Pam, spray it on your muffin pan. I like to use 6 eggs, but if you have like a muffin tin that has 12, then use 12 eggs. And like I said, you can always refreeze these and like heat them up in a microwave or in the stove or in the oven, so you can be able to have something quick and easy for breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you do wind up making it, let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys, so I always clean up as I go. So I went ahead and cleaned that stuff. Got the oven on 350. The sausage is done. I'm going to be adding cheese and salt and pepper to my. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to mine too, but no cheese because I don't need to do cheese. But I'm going to go ahead and get everything together, and I'm going to cook it for. This is my first time doing it, so I'm going to cook it for about a good 20-25 minutes. Look at it, make sure the eggs are done. If the eggs are not done, give it more time until the eggs are completely done, and you cook the sausage until it's completely done also. And I did use canned spinach. I know people will be like, why you use canned spinach? Sodium level. I didn't use that much spinach, but you can use fresh spinach if you want. It's all up to you, okay? And you don't have to use Italian sausage. You can use chicken. You can use whatever your little heart fancy, or turkey. Okay. So like I said, you guys, I already put the Pam inside of the container. And I'm going to put the cheese for him. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing cheese. You know, always make sure you put, like I said, Pam, so it won't stick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm about to go ahead and add the sausage. Okay, see it? And add the sausage. And wait until the sausage is cool. Don't do what I'm doing because it's real hot. You can add as much sauces as you want. It's all up to you. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way. If you like onions, you can add onions. You can add peppers. I didn't add none of those. I just wanted to kind of stay basic. Okay, so now again, I'm about to go ahead and pour the egg and spinach over this. Hey, Puff.
Recommend nature vitamins because I trust their quality. They were the first to have a vitamin verified by USP, an independent organization that sets strict quality and purity standards. Nutriment. Whether you have wanderlust, cabin fever, or the
Okay, like I said, add you some salt and pepper if you want to, but really the sausage is kind of salty enough, so if you don't want to, I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Like I said, I put the spinach in here. And I'm going to have extra, so if I like the way this tastes, which I know I'm going to, I'm going to make some extras. I'm not sure how I'm going to make them, if I'm making them in a muffin or what I'm going to do. So just go ahead and pour. I like to always use my cup, use my eggs inside of a cup because it pours so much better. Okay. Pour right on in. And like I said, guys, cook it for about 20 minutes. See what it's looking like at 20 minutes. If the egg is not done, give it more time. Give it like 10 minutes. Just keep on checking it to make sure it's completely done. Okay, guys. So we got it all filled up. Gonna put it in the oven and I'll come back with the end results. And this is something good for breakfast. I'm trying to pre-prepare my food for breakfast because I'll always be hungry. I don't want to be hungry. Make sure all this is inside of there. Make sure all my hands is clean. So make sure it's all in there. And let's do it. Okay, guys, in the oven it goes. Okay, guys, we are 25 minutes in. Just wanted to show it to you. It's cooking really, really good. Check it. What you're going to do is you're going to stick a toothpick in it. If the toothpick have egg on it, that means it's not done. If it's no egg, that means it's done. Give it 5 more minutes. Just keep checking it. Because everybody's oven is different. That's the same way I do cake. That's a tip. If you want to know if your cake done, just stick a toothpick in it. If the cake is on the toothpick, that means it's not done, and just give it some more time. But it's looking good. And like I said, guys, this is my first time making this. I just wanted to try something new. Like, I'm tired of eating the same thing for breakfast, and I don't eat breakfast, and I be so hungry. So I'm trying to find ways to eat breakfast. Once I get done with this, you're going to let it sit out. You can put it in your extras in the freezer if you want. Or the refrigerator, and you can just pop it in the oven or, in the microwave if that's what you want to do for future eating times. Okay, let's stick the toothpick in and see what happens. Okay, y'all, it's done. So we're gonna get it out and let it sit and go from there. We are done. If you guys make this, let me know how you like it. Okay, bye, guys.